Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Sony LinkBuds. Before I will show you all gestures, I wanna say that I customize gestures for the left earbud. I change ambient sound to volume control. So let's starting. If you press one time on your left earbud, you will increase the volume. So I'm just press one time and I should increase the volume. Did music playing? Yeah. So I press one time on my left earbud and I increase the volume. If I press again, I will also increase the volume. And again, as you can see, it working. If you press and hold on your left earbud, you will lower the volume. Now, if you press one time on your right earbud, you will pause a song. As you can see, I just paused the song, and if you press again on your right earbud, you will play the song. If you press two times on your right earbud, you will play next track. So, as you can see, I just swapped it, and if you press three times on your right earbud, you will play previous track. And as you can see, it worked. Now, if someone calls to you, you can answer to it by pressing two times on your earbuds. 1, 2, and I just answering the call. And if I press again two times, I will reject the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!